Hey YouTubers, today's episode on a very rainy day is called It's a Swamp Thing. Heading to do some swamp hiking with the swamp camper. Hike with Mike here. Today we're doing some swamp hiking at Brooker Creek Nature Preserve.
Quite a wet trail we've come across.
Alright, there's the aptly named swamp camper. Trudging through the swamps on our swamp hike. Swamp woman!
Swamp woman! Is that stranger?
Yeah.
Hi, boys and girls. Would you like to come and swamp camper's house?
Look at this. At least we haven't made flood stage yet, so we got that going for us.
We got about 2.5 feet, maybe.
Yeah, maybe by the end. Whoa, that was lightning. Maybe by the time the storm's over, we'll be at flood stage.
Yeah, I would imagine.
Man, sinking in the muck.
Yep.
Need to find that fine sand again. There's no more trail. It's just, it's water. The trail's gone.
It's deliverance.
Yes, deliverance. The water's getting cold.
Right up my balls.